Good morning, children. Welcome to our next session, Grammar, Lesson 1, the sentence. Previous sessions you understood that what is a sentence. Okay, now this section is saying that pick the correct circle. You are getting 2 circles for each exercise. Here P stands for phrase, S stands for sentence. You understood what is phrase, subject, sentence and a clause. You understood already that. Here you should classify. You are getting 9 sentences. You should classify whether it is phrase or sentences. Look at the picture, children, textbook. You are getting 9 sentences here and you are getting a box there, P and S. You are getting 2 circles for each sentences. Which one is correct? Put the tick in the circle. We'll see, children. We'll start writing. The first sentence is under the tree. Under the tree. Here already given 2 circles you are getting. Which is this phrase or sentence? It is a phrase. So tick the P. The next, number 2. Behind the door. Behind the door. Behind the door, 2 circles you are getting. So that is also phrase. Why? These sentences are not complete sentence. Whether we should get the correct meaning from the sentence, then only we can say that is a sentence. Here, under the tree. What is under the tree? Who is under the tree? What is under the tree? Which tree? That we are asking. The next, behind the door. Behind the doors. What is there in the behind the door? Who is there in the behind the door? That sentence is not complete. That's why this sentence is phrase, not a sentence. That is a part of the sentence. That you will call the phrase. A sentence has 2 parts, subject and phrase or predicate. These we should have, then only it will become the sentence. Okay. Then next, number 3. Radha sings well. S-I-N-G-S, sings well. Did you understand anything, children? Yes, you got the correct meaning from this sentence. Radha sings well. So that is a sentence. So tick in this circle. The next, number 4. In the year 2004. You are getting 2 circles here. In the year 2004. That only this sentence. But this is not sentence. Did you get any meaning, children? This sentence is not complete. Incomplete sentence. So what happened in the year 2004? So incomplete. So we will say this is a phrase, not a sentence. The next, number 5. The sun gives light. Gives light. 2 circles are there. What is here? The sentence is the sun gives light. Yes, the sun gives us light. So that is a sentence. Tick here. Okay. Then next, number 6. 6th one is we played a match. We played a match. So the sentence is 2 circles are there. Sentence is complete. We played a match. Yeah. Sentence is correct. Tick here. That is a sentence. Then next number 7. You should work hard. You should work hard. 2 circles are there. You should work hard. Yes, that is a sentence. We are getting the correct meaning. That is a sentence. Tick there. Then next, number 8. In a corner of the park. Corner of the park. Corner of the park. 2 circles are there. Here see children, in a corner of the park. This is not a complete sentence. Something is there in the corner of the park. So question is raising. So that is a phrase. Tick here, P. Then next number 9. With some of his friends. 2 circles are there. With some of his friends. What? Something question is rising after this saying these sentences. This is incomplete sentence. So that is a phrase. P, tick here. These are the classification of a sentence into phrase and sentence. Once again, under the tree. This is phrase, not a sentence. Behind the door, something is there. You should understand by saying these words, something should be there. That is incomplete. So something is behind the door. So we will say this is phrase, not a sentence. Radha sings well. She sings well. Okay. So that is a sentence. In the year 2004. In the year 2004 what happened? That is incomplete. So this is a phrase. The sun gives light. That is complete sentence. We tick here. Next, we played a match. That also complete sentence. Tick here. Next, you should work hard. Here also tick here. That is also a sentence. Here, in a corner of the park. That is not complete. So that is a phrase. We tick here. With some of his friends. What you did with some of his friends? Here, this is an incomplete sentence. So this is a phrase. We tick here. This is the exercise, children. Come to the next exercise. Children, next exercise is rewrite each sentence correctly. You are getting a sentence. Okay. Also say whether the sentence is assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative sentences. We should write them. We rewrite, some mistakes are there in the sentence. We should correct it. Okay children, we come to the textbook there. First one is here, how hot the sun is. The sun is. Here dash. Next line is we should rewrite the sentence. How children? Here how? Whenever we start a sentence, we should write the first letter capital. Same. Hot the sun is. Is this which sentence children? We corrected this sentence. We wrote the capital letter. Here small letter. We should write the capital letter when we start a sentence. So this is how is the how expression. So this is the exclamatory. Put the symbol. Here we should write that exclamatory. Exclamatory. Okay. The next one is second question. What a lovely doll it is. In the dash. First, we should rewrite the sentence. Whenever we write the sentence, first letter should be capital W. What a lovely doll it is. This also what, how. We are saying some expressions with happiness. So, exclamatory sentence, same symbol here also, and we should write the exclamatory sentence. This is also exclamatory sentence. Okay. Then third one, the question is, who teaches, T-E-A-C-H-E-S, teaches you English. Here the dash. What is this question? First we should write the capital letter. Who teaches, T-E-A-C-H-E-S, teaches you. See these children, this is English. E is small letter, we should write the E capital letter, English. Who teaches you English? That is a question. So, that is, we should write the question mark. The sentence become interrogative. Question mark will be, so that is a interrogative sentence. Then fourth one. The fourth question is, obey your parents and teachers. T-A-C-H-E-R-S, teachers. So dash is there. What is the sentence, children? First we should rewrite O is capital. Obey your, your parents and teachers. Parents and teachers. So that is full stop. We should write imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. It is a commanding or advising or requesting. So that is an imperative sentence. Fifth one. The first day of the week is Sunday. The first day of the week is Sunday. First, we should rewrite the sentence. First letter should be the capital. The first, F-I-R-S-T, first day, D-A-Y, day of the week is, what should be, children? S is small, we should write the capital letter S. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. That is a sentence. The sentence is assertive sentence. That is an assertive sentence. Okay. Now the sixth one is, what, W-H-A-T, what is the first month of the year? Month of the year. Dash is there. See, children, which is that? what? Rewrite the sentence first. W capital. What is the first month, month, month of the year? The year. This is a question, so we should write the question mark. The sentence is interrogative. We are asking the question, so that is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Okay. The next, number 7. A sentence. A sentence. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E. Sentence begins with B-G-I-N-S. Begins with a capital letter. Capital letter. So dash. Rewrite the sentence first. A should write the capital. A sentence begins, B-E-G-I-N-S, begins with a capital letter. Capital letter. That is a sentence or advice. So put the full stop there. It's a assertive sentence. It is an assertive. Okay. Then number 8. December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December is the last month of the year. Dash is here. You are getting the dash. Rewrite the sentence first. Whenever you are writing the sentence, we should write the first letter capital. December. D is capital. Is the last, L-A-S-T, last month, M-O-N-T-H, month of the year. So sentence is full stop. So which sentence this is? Assertive sentence. These are the exercise, children. Once again, rewrite each sentence correctly. When you are getting some sentences, some mistakes are there, we should rewrite first. Then also say whether the sentence is assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative sentences. The first is how hot the sun is. We rewrite the sentence how, H is capital, how hot the sun is. That is exclamatory sentence. We showed some expressions. Then second one, what a lovely doll it is. Here also we rewrited that W is the capital letter. What a lovely doll it is. Here exclamatory symbol is there. So we should write the exclamatory sentence. Third one, who teaches you English? Rewrite the sentences. W is the capital letter. Who teaches you English? E should be the capital letter. So this is a question. Put the question mark. Then sentence is interrogative sentence. Next, obey your parents and teachers. First letter O, capital letter. Obey your parents and teachers. That is an advice. So that is imperative sentence. Fifth one, the first day of the week is Sunday. First letter capital. The first day of the week is Sunday. S is capital. Whenever we write the days of the week, also we should write the first letter capital. This is a statement, a complete sentence. So assertive sentence. The next sixth one is what is the first month of the year. W capital letter. What is the first month of the year? So this is a question mark. The sentence become interrogative sentence. Next, seventh one. A sentence begins with a capital letter. We started, A is the capital letter. A sentence begins with a capital letter. It is a statement. So this is an assertive sentence. Okay. The last one is December is the last month of the year. First letter capital. December is the last month of the year. So full stop. This is a statement. Full stop. It's become the assertive sentences. These are the lesson 1 from the exercise, children. The sentence, 3 parts are there. 3 sections are there. You write these in these exercises in the textbook, classwork and homework book also. Thank you, children.